go. What's up?
I guess I should put my face that way.
Uh-huh.
You still want to touch me?
Nope. Not at all. Rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
You're going first.
Maybe I'm going first.
I've already decided.
You don't trust me?
So I'm good any time. You guys, who wants to go first?
He is.
Jamie, you look absolutely stunning. Beautiful. It's been 2,266 days since you walked into PHL for your job interview. A few months in, I remember talking with Gary, looking at you at Cash and telling him she's the one. I'm going all in for her. She's going to be my everything. Took me a while, but June 1st, 2018, I made you mine. It's been 1,919 days since then. That's my PIN number. We've had some pretty crazy times at PHL. It's on camera. It's on video, it's fine.
Steven, Stevie, my Benito, my best friend. I'm so excited to be standing here with you today. So much has led up to this moment, and I wouldn't change a thing. Through every up and down in life and in blood sugar, you are my rock, my best friend. Looking around, I see 2 years of working together, making decisions, and creating our vision together. It's a testament to the life that we are continuing to build together every day. If we can do this, we can do anything. You challenge me to be a better person every day. You teach me how to communicate, how to ask for help, how to parallel park, how to find lost animals, how to say no, although that one's taking a while. I love your passion you bring to everything you do. Whether it's work or play, or raising our fur babies, you always give 110% of yourself. I love how your Dexcom always has impeccable timing, but mostly, I just love how happy I am with you. I feel so safe, loved, understood, and joyful. You know what I'm trying to say, even when my words don't work. What I'm thinking, even before I speak. What I need, even before I realize. If only you knew when to start braking when you're driving, but we're working on that.
Our future is bright, and I cannot wait to go together one step at a time into it. I know it'll be hard, but we will get there. That's what she said. Michael Scott. Our future will be filled with joy. Can't forget our texty gloves. I know I will have to always love Lemon Jamie, no matter how lemon stressy everything gets. I know sometimes you're not wrong, but also not right. Sometimes your contact isn't always in your eye, but your eye is in there. We will always try to find the road name that starts with A, probably Marion. I know you only sleep hit me, and you're not drunk, you're a duvet.
I'm so proud of the man that you are and that you're becoming. You're kind, caring, and generous. You make my hardest days easier and my good days even better. I'm so lucky I get to call you mine. I promise that I will always bring you a snack when you're low and insulin when you're high. I am your sugar mama after all. I will stand by your side as you lose your toes or break your legs. You get it? Stand by your side?
Yeah, I got it. I can't do it.
I promise to support your collections, jerseys, Lego, and any others you might come across throughout our lifetime together.
1, 2, 3, turn.
Don't lie.
Oh my god! Oh, you look so good. You look so good. Fabulous!
It looks so good.
I'm going to be there for whatever you need. I'll be there when you can't say the words, but just move your arms around and I'll figure out what you're saying 70% of the time. I will be here for you if you ever become a worm. I will always love you.
Through thick and thin, tall and short, loud feet, freezing toes, shutouts and 5-hole goals, I will be with you all the way.
I will love you for 1,000 years and I'll love you for 1,000 more. To the ends of the earth, to infinity and beyond. And if I'm being honest, you're first. My last name just sounds better together.
I promise to love you unconditionally as I have for 1,000 years and as I will for 1,000 years. I've got you for the rest of my life and that's all I'll ever need. Well, maybe a dog or two. You are my best friend forever. I love you, Stephen.
You're the Pam to my Jim. I love you.
Yeah.